In the context of injury, the metabolic response is a complex interplay of physiological changes aimed at restoring homeostasis. Initially, we see a surge in catecholamines, which mobilize energy stores and increase heart rate. This is followed by the release of cytokines, triggering the inflammatory response. As the body shifts to a catabolic state, we observe increased protein breakdown and gluconeogenesis, providing essential substrates for healing. The liver plays a crucial role, ramping up the production of acute phase proteins, which are vital for immune function. Simultaneously, insulin sensitivity decreases, promoting lipolysis and further fueling the energy demands of the healing process. This hypermetabolic state can persist for weeks, emphasizing the importance of nutritional support in recovery. Understanding these metabolic shifts is essential for optimizing patient care and ensuring effective recovery strategies.